how to create a new Apple ID on any iPhone. So whether you need Apple ID to download any apps from App Store or for any other use cases, just follow this tutorial till the end. At first, go to the settings, click on Apple account, click on don't have an Apple account, select your age. In my case, I am selecting adult. Then type in your first name and last name. Click on add in the side of birthday to edit. Click on continue. After done, click on don't have an email address. Click on get an iCloud email address. And in the email section, type in the email that you want it to be. And then click on continue. Click on create email address. And then create a password for your Apple account. And then verify it by retyping. Click on continue and then type in your phone number and verify it either by using text message or a phone call, and then click on continue. Then type in the OTP you get and click on continue. Then agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on agree, and here it is signing in our Apple account. And here your Apple account is ready. Now you can access App Store without any issue and can download any apps you want or use an email. To download apps from Apple Store, you need to type in your Apple ID password and click on confirm. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.